Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to sign in to your TicketMaster app. Firstly, open your TicketMaster app. Then after, over there you can click on your top left corner. There you can see three lines. Tap on it. Then tap on My Account. Go to My Account. There you can see the option of sign in. Tap on it. Then after you come across this page, now enter your email address. Then type password. Then enter your password. Then tap on sign in. Then you'll be logged into it. Then you'll be signed in to your TicketMaster app. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.